Are you a business owner or social media manager who wants to change the name of your Facebook page? In this video, we will show you how to change the name of your Facebook page using your phone. Okay, let's get started. Open the Facebook app on your phone and switch to the account associated with the Facebook page whose name you want to change. To do this, tap on the three lines icon, then tap the down arrow icon next to your name, and choose your page to switch. After switching account, please tap on the three lines icon again and tap on Settings icon from the menu. Next you need to tap on the page settings right here. In the page settings menu, find and tap on Name to start changing your Facebook page name. Type in your new Facebook page name and make sure it complies with Facebook's guidelines. Once you're done, tap on Review Change. Facebook will review your name change request, which may take up to 3 days. You'll receive a notification once your request has been approved or denied. And that's it. You've successfully changed the name of your Facebook page on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.